Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford Edge ST line. So for 2021, Edge got a couple of little changes. The biggest is in the interior, which we will go into soon enough. Of course, the ST line isn't the full ST. So this one has the twin scroll 2-liter EcoBoost, 8-speed automatic, agate black over ebony, 43,525. Very, very nice interior. Red contrast stitching throughout. 20-inch premium wheels. Just overall a very, very good looking car. ST line kick plate. You might have spotted the big difference. This is all new. Very, very similar unit to the Mach-E. Same basic interface where all your vehicle settings and controls are by pressing the vehicle logo up top. Here you can go into your Sirius XM settings, your phone list, vehicle, general settings, and all that fun stuff. Alright, reverse into drive. The Edge, middle of the road for Ford. Below it, Bronco Sport, EcoSport. EcoSport is smaller than Bronco Sport. Then you have the Escape. Then you have the Edge going bigger. You have the Explorer, the Bronco and Explorer right there, and then you have the Expedition. Then you have the Expedition Max, which is an Expedition. You also have the Mach-E that's thrown in there, which is, I think, same size as this. This is actually extremely comfortable. Of course, ST line, so it's a little bit sporty. ST line's more of an appearance package than a sport package, unlike the actual Edge ST. Although this one does have plenty of power, plenty of torque, perfectly fine for whatever you might need. Over the rough road section, does very, very well. These seats are extremely comfortable too, which is always a bonus. over rough terrain. This thing, I love it. I like the Edge ST even more too. Just overall as a platform, the Edge is brilliant. You know, it helps if people look. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.